The ocean never holds still. Its waves rise, crest, and fall in a constant cycle, always moving, always changing. There's a rhythm to it, a rhythm that has existed long before we ever stood on the shore, and will continue long after we've left. The waves are in no rush, but they never stop either. They are always there, coming in, going out, without holding on, without regret. In many ways, life is like these waves. We encounter moments that crash against us, unexpected and strong. Sometimes it's hard to see past the force of that wave, its impact on our lives, its noise in our minds. We brace ourselves, we resist, we try to push back against it, but like the ocean, life's challenges are not something we can stop. No matter how hard we try to control it, the wave will come. But here's the thing, just as the wave breaks and recedes, so too do the challenges we face. They come and they go. The pain, the fear, the uncertainty. They're part of the natural ebb and flow. The waves of emotion will rise. They may even feel overwhelming, but they will not last forever. They never do. Learning to let go, learning to accept this movement, can bring us peace, just as the ocean's waves eventually reach the shore and dissolve. So too must we allow our emotions, our worries, to move through us rather than hold them tight. Clinging only causes tension, pain. But when we let go, when we surrender to the flow, we can find ourselves floating, carried by the very force we once feared. Look at the ocean again. It doesn't cling to the shore. It doesn't grasp at the sand. It moves, it flows, and then it retreats. In its retreat, there is space. Space for the next wave, space for calm, space for renewal. We too need this space, this letting go, to make room for what's next. Often, we carry our worries with us far too long. We let them build up, wave after wave, until it feels like we're drowning beneath their weight. But like the ocean, we must learn to let the waves come and go. They are not meant to stay. Neither are our fears, our regrets, our struggles. They serve their purpose, but they are not permanent. And just like that wave, when we release our grip, we create space for new possibilities. The calm between the waves, those moments of stillness, that is where we find clarity. It is where we can breathe again, where we can reset. In the stillness, we see the truth, that no wave lasts forever, and that letting go is not a weakness, but a strength. It takes courage to let go, to stop fighting against the tide, to trust that we will be okay. But the ocean reminds us that this is the way of things. There will always be another wave, and that's okay. What matters is not controlling the waves, but learning to navigate them with grace, to rise with them, and to let them go when their time has passed. So the next time you feel the waves of life pushing against you, remember the ocean. Remember that its power comes not from resisting, but from its ability to move, to flow, to let go. And in that movement, in that release, there is peace. Let the wave come, let it rise, and when it's ready, let it fall.